So we're really excited to be presenting some of our preliminary findings about LungMatch at the World Conference on Lung Cancer in Yokohama, Japan. So what we've done is we've looked at data from the first 9 months of the program since we rolled it out late in 2016. We identified that there still are a number of barriers to clinical trial enrollment. Sometimes the clinical trial information that's out there is not correct, and the trial is not even open or not open at that particular site. We find that patients still have trouble with transportation to trials to be able to travel, and many of the logistical and cost issues around clinical trials. And there's many different things that as a community we can learn from following patients as they try to enroll in trials and really improving their experience so that we can make sure that patients can get on trials when they need to. We see a huge increase in the number of discussions that are taking place between patients and their treatment team after talking to our navigators. We think because patients feel more educated and more empowered to have those conversations. In addition, we're seeing a huge increase in the number of patients who are actually looking for trials on our site. Since we launched LungMatch, we've seen 10 times as many patients complete a clinical trial search on our website. We're thrilled with those results because it means that patients are getting the clinical trial information that they need to be able to take back to their doctors and talk about potential options. The most important finding from the molecular testing piece of the LungMatch program was that more than 80% of the patients who completed the molecular testing had an actionable finding. So this means that there was a gene or protein change within their cancer that led to a recommendation for a certain type of therapy. We're really excited about that because it's critical for patients to get the right care for them at the right time. And we're really starting to show that this molecular testing can make an actionable difference for patients. So it's still early for the LungMatch program. It's only been 9 months, but what we're seeing with this early data is that we really are able to bring these advances to patients. With the combination of appropriate molecular testing as well as clinical trial matching and making sure we can find the right trials for the right patients, we're able to really impact their care in a very positive way and help make sure that everyone gets the right treatment path for them.